So today we're going to be doing our current favorites. These are just products that we've been liking for the time between our last video, which is like a long time ago, and up until now, so let's get started. So my first one is a self-tanner, but you guys know we have like tried every self-tanner there is, but it's Blondie, aka Casey Holmes, talked about this one, and this is called, what is that, Sosu? Sosu? I don't know.
Sosu Dripping in Gold self-tanner. This is an ultra dark. This, it's like cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan-friendly, like all that. She linked it in her video. I don't even remember where I got this. I think Beauty Bay. And it was around 30 bucks for...
Really? That's cheap.
Yeah. For 6 ounces. And I know. And the only thing about this, it's like a really like dark. Okay, it doesn't look dark on camera. It's a dark, like more of a red tone tan, and this doesn't patch off really bad. Except the only thing is that when you put it on, it's pretty sticky. Especially compared to like the Loving Tan, I feel like you put that on and it's really like, it dries really fast. But this one stays sticky, so that's the only thing. And this like definitely transfers on sheets.
Ooh.
And
I don't think I'd try that.
If you are wet, or if you just tanned and you're like a sleep tanner, this is gonna get on your sheets, on your pillow, on your clothes, on Dylan, on everything. So that's like one thing. But I've been liking it. I don't know, I've really been liking it.
See, $1 Million wouldn't do that to me. Well, it doesn't do that to anybody. I don't have these with me, but I just have the box. These are lashes that I've been using like every time we go out. These are from Eylure. They're the Luxe Silk like collection, and it's the style Marquee. These are so good. They're really high quality.
I wish you had them.
That you can, well, like you wouldn't be able to see them anyway in the box. They're really good quality for like drugstore type of lashes. They're really long. They kind of remind me of like
mink, I feel like.
Yeah, they do look like mink lashes, but they're really light and comfortable for me. Because I wear lashes a lot, and she doesn't really wear.
I never wear lashes. So.
But yeah, these are really good. I think they were like $13 at Target.
But you could like reuse them.
Yeah, I reuse them
so many times.
I reuse them all the time.
Okay, so next, to keep with like the tanning stuff, these are the U-Tan and Tone Tan Gummies. And like when I first heard of these, I was like, oh my god, my dreams have been answered. Because it's literally a gummy, and it tastes like candy. It tastes like kind of like a Gusher. It's raspberry flavored, and it's like a multivitamin and all that. But it is supposed to make you tan. Not like really, really tan, but it's supposed to take you like 1 or 2 shades darker than your natural color. And Poop can confirm
they actually work.
That they actually work.
They actually work.
When we go out, we like self-tan before we go out, and we were both self-tanning together. And I was naked, and she was like, oh my god, like, you look so...
like, really dark.
So tan. And you know it's tan light saving, so we only tan...
the upper body.
Up here. So I haven't even touched, like, my legs or stomach or anything.
And, like, your back, too. Like, you can't reach your back.
Yeah. Yeah, so these actually work. I know they sound like such a gimmick, but...
They work.
They work.
They really do.
I take 2 a day. You could take 3 if you want, but I take 2. They don't taste bad, and yeah, I will like forever.
How much were they?
Like 20 bucks.
Where did you get them?
I got them, I think, on Beauty Bay again. Yeah.
So next, this is skincare. Now,
I love that.
I know like Tatcha is like an expensive brand, but I'm begging you, go to Sephora and get the best sellers kit. It's like 60 bucks. It comes with like 4 different things. This was in that kit. This is the Tatcha polished classic rice enzyme powder. Now, if you have any sort of texture problems or anything like that, this is the answer.
Yeah.
I had a little bumps like around my forehead that I just couldn't get rid of no matter how much I exfoliated, no matter what I used. This got rid of that. This is a gentle exfoliator. It's literally rice powder.
It feels like nothing in your hand.
It literally feels like nothing. So you're like, oh, this isn't
work.
gonna do anything. Like, oh, whatever.
Yeah.
But this is gentle enough to use every single day. So, and this lasted me a really long time. This is the one that came in the bestsellers kit, and I got that in like April. and it's October now and I still have a little bit left.
And you used to use it every day.
And I used it every day. This is so good. So I'm really gonna get like the big one, but if you, I know like Tatcha's expensive, so definitely try out the Best Sellers kit at Sephora. You won't be disappointed.
For my foundation, I have been like obsessed, and I don't even know if they make this foundation anymore. It's the Buxom Show Some Skin Weightless Foundation in Tantalize Me. Okay, so I've been like mixing. I use the It Cosmetics CC cream in tan, and this is, it's full coverage, but it's thick, and I don't like really thick foundations or concealers. This is really watery, so I'll put like and then I'll like swirl some of this on, and I'll just mix them together, and it gives like a really nice like dewy finish. I'm wearing it today, and I mean, it doesn't last the longest since it is like such a dewy, they're both tinted moisturizers, but it's like your skin looks like skin, not like there's foundation on it. So yeah, I've been like obsessed with these.
So my next product, this is like a mini sample thing that you get in the birthday kit from Sephora. This is the Tarteist lip paint in Birthday Suit.
I didn't like that.
It's in Birthday Suit. I really like this shade. I've been using this one a lot lately.
It's too pink.
It looks a lot more dark on camera than it is in person, but it's a nice nudie pink for when I'm tan. Now if I'm pale, it's gonna be darker, but
yeah.
I really like this when I'm tan, and I like how they're like minty. The only thing is that like I had some cake.
Of course.
We were eating cake before I came over here, and it came off. And it made my lips crusty.
And not me and her. I don't even like cake, so.
But I really like the shade, and I like how it's minty, and I kind of like the applicator.
Yeah, I don't mind that applicator.
It's like a doe foot.
I don't like the mint, though.
But I really like the color.
And your hair, like, I don't know. Sometimes my hair, if I sleep on it just down, it looks frizzy, and it looks bad. So, as you guys know, I have, like, a silk pillowcase, and I don't know why I just found out about these, but these are like silk scrunchies. So I got these ones. These are the same thing off Amazon, and I just literally typed in like silk scrunchie, and then this one Prince made, and it's really big.
I like that pink one.
And I literally, like, when I go to bed, I will just take my hair and like just put it up here, either in a bun or just in like a pony, and it'll sit right here. And it'll keep my hair from one, getting kinked, and two, from getting like all frizzy and weird. So yeah, I've been like obsessed with these.
Those
Maybe
don't work
Prince
for me,
can
though.
make you guys some.
This is not like a new product or anything crazy, but this is the Fit Me concealer in the shade 15 Fair. I had the Naked Skin Concealer by Urban Decay. I really like that. I really like how it's like full coverage and stuff.
Yeah.
It's just, it dries really quick when I do concealer right here, and I do like 3 stripes. And I noticed that when I was blending it out one day, you could see the stripes, and it was just weird. So I've switched back to my Fit Me concealer. This is really good coverage, and
It's cheap.
It's cheap.
Blends out nice.
Yep.
Doesn't like crease. It's nice. Yeah, I use that too.
Yep. So that's just that.
I have lips, which is weird because usually you guys know I like the almost the dead looking lips, or I won't even put lips
MAC
on.
Flesh
I'll just like leave foundation over it, but I'm like in a darker nude. So and I've been obsessed with lip liner. So right here is Strip Down from MAC, and then if you want a little cheaper option, then this is from Rimmel. That's why I couldn't find it. Okay, this is from Rimmel, and it's in Tiramisu.
Did you think it was from NYX?
Yeah, I did.
That's embarrassing.
And so I was looking for it today, actually. I was looking for like, oh, they're really similar. So this one is the MAC, and then this one is the Rimmel. So they're just like a darker nude, and so I'll line my lip, obviously overline too, with those, and then I'll go over with MAC Honey Love. I almost said Angel. And that's right here. So it lightens it up a little bit, but I almost like when you can see like the outline.
The line.
The Chola lips. Like not very intense, but I like how you can see a little. Next, I have this NYX, what is this called?
Why is this on the packaging?
Because I literally just bought it.
Oh.
This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and you guys know I used to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I, like, just recently, probably like a month ago, I bought 2 new Brow Wizzes, and they are so waxy, like, color won't even come off of them. And when I put it on my brows, it just pulls my brow hairs out because they're so, like, hard. And so I was, like, over that. I was in Myers and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy a drugstore brow pencil and it's gonna be good. So I found this NYX one, and this is actually in, well, this one's in ash brown, but I normally like the soft brown one because I've been liking like darker brows. And these are so much creamier, and like they actually put color on, and they stay just as long, and they're half the price. So if you need a brow pencil, I would definitely suggest these. They have pretty much the same colors as the Anastasia ones, so.
It's a little dramatic.
Okay, so our last thing, and this is like for both of us.
Yeah.
Oh my god, like,
This is so good.
this is like life changing. So, Olaplex, I'm sure everybody knows what that is, but they came out with a shampoo and a conditioner. Shampoo sucks. Don't
I
use
haven't
that.
tried it.
Don't try it. This is the conditioner. Oh my god, like it's a really thick
It's
conditioner.
Thick.
You don't need that much. Even I don't use that much, and I always just go.
I use like
use
this
the whole
much.
thing. Stop. So this is called the No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner, and it repairs, strengthens, and hydrates for all hair types.
It's so creamy. It's thick and creamy and so good, and I really like the smell of it. I think it smells really
everybody needs to try this.
Yeah.
If you have like a favorite, like even if you don't have like a conditioner that you're obsessed with, you need to try this because you guys know how ratty and tangly our hair gets, and putting this on, I can actually like brush through my hair, and it's just insane.
It's so good.
And I don't know like how much this would be for like you guys, because obviously like we have our like our COS and SD licenses, so it's cheaper for us. It's only $14. It's a smaller bottle. It's only 8.5 ounces.
But it's so thick and rich that like you don't really need that much. Anyway.
Yeah, no, you really don't.
Is that your first bottle?
No, that's my second.
I was gonna say.
There's like no words to describe how good this conditioner is.
Yeah.
It's just the best conditioner, and if you have tangly hair, or if you feel like your hair is really dry, or needs like
some moisture,
hydration, or you need like something that's gonna repair, try this. It is like life changing. I can't even like, I'll look at my like deeper curl conditioner and I'll be like, I like
questioning.
I like talk crap about it in the shower to myself. So yeah, if you haven't, like, just try it.
So that's all we have today for our current favorites. We hope you thought that this was interesting and that you try out some of the products that we've been liking. We hope that you guys like them too. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.
Yes, I do.
No, they don't. Okay, today we're going to be doing our current favorites.
Favorites. A little bit of a line, so I almost think we should shut.
Oh, I have to edit it?
What else are you gonna do?
I don't know.
I know. You got me fired up on those burgers.
Favorites. Why do I keep saying favorites?
Favorites. I'm not a Geek Squad member. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.